Chapter 5 Adventure in the Night. Ralph rode the motorcycle all night. He told Keith to leave the door open. Ralph explored the hotel. He rode in the hallway. Ralph hid from people on the elevator. He saw a man with a dog. The dog saw Ralph. The dog barked. Ralph said vroom, and the motorcycle rode away. Ralph felt brave. Matt saw Ralph in the hallway. He opened Keith's door to help Ralph. Ralph rode the motorcycle into Keith's room. Mrs. Grizzly saw Ralph. She screamed. Keith helped Ralph hide. He wanted Ralph to be safe.